Question 3-2. So Cecil's trainers propose each of the following movements. Which one requires the longest rope? Draw diagrams to justify your answer. All right. So here are my expressions, and I need to draw a picture to represent this. So the first one tells me that I am going to go 8 feet to the right. That's this piece right here. Then I'm going to go 2 of these 6.48. All right. So I'm going to go, these are not very straight lines, 6.48. And then I go another time to the right, 6.48. Now to figure out how long these are, well, let's see, 6.48 times 2 is 16, that's 9, that's 12, 2 placeholders. So these two give me 12.96, then I have to add 8 to it. So when I do that, make sure I line up my decimals. If there's not a decimal written down, make sure you know it's to the right. Then I add these, and I get 96. I get 20.96. All right, so the first one is 20.96, and that's a 9. All right, so let's take a look. Whoops, trying to erase here. Oh, that's not what I wanted. All right, so just real quick. Here's my 8. Here's my 6.48 and another 6.48 equals, and I forgot what it equals. I know it's 20 point something, but 6.48 times 2, 16, 8, that's 9, that's 12. So add 8, so it's 20.96. All right, so 20.96. All right, so back to where we're at. Let's see for the next one. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go 2 to the right. So that's my 2. It's hard to see that yellow. And then 8 times I want to go 6.48. All right, so I'm going to go 6.48, 6.48, 6.48, 6.48, 6.48, 6.48, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.48, and 6.48. I would say that this is definitely longer than this one so far. Let's find out how far. So the first thing I'm going to do is 6.48 8 times. So let's see. So let's get rid of this. And let's figure out what we got going on here. So let's see. I got 6.48 times 6. That's 48. Give me a 4. That's 24. Plus 4 is 28. Carry 2. That's 36. Plus 2 is 38 with 2 decimal places. And then I need to add 2 to that. So it's going to be 40.88. So notice in this one, we had to reproduce this twice. This one, we had to reproduce it 8 times, so it made it quite a bit bigger. All right, so let's take a look at the last one. Let me clear this up a little bit. And let's see what we have going on here on the next one. So this one, I'm going to, we always do it in the parentheses first. So I'm going to do 8 plus 2 and get 10. Then it wants me to do the 6.48 10 times. So I think that's going to be even further in this one. Let's change colors here. So so I did what's in parentheses first, gave me 10. So it tells me that I'm going to reproduce this 10 times. All right. 1, 2, so this is 2 or 6.48, 6.48, 6.48, 6.48, 6.48, 6.48, 6.48, 6.48, 6.48. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And all of these are 6.48. So I could add up 6.48 plus 6.48 plus 6.48 plus 6.48 and add them up 10 times. Or I can just do 6.48 times 10. Anytime I multiply something by 10, I just move my decimal one spot to the right. So this is going to become 64.8. So this whole thing becomes 64.8. And it was definitely the longest rope that I had because I reproduced the 6.48 10 times. This one only had me reproduce it 8 times. So notice how we have the same numbers kind of in all three of these, but they do things differently.